This is problem number 4. The question is, without dividing, find the remainder in q of x when x to the power of 40 minus 8x to the power of 12 plus 3 is divided by x to the power of 4 minus 1. So using the hint given in the problem, or in the question, y equals x to the power of 4. Y equals x to the power of 4 means that we are now dividing by y minus 1. So x to the power of 40 equals x to the power of 4 to the power of 10, which would therefore be y to the power of 10. And then x to the power of 12 equals x to the power of 4 to the power of 3, which then equals y to the power of 3. So now we sub y to the power of 10 and y to the power of 3 into the dividend. So then y to the power of 10 minus 8, y to the power of 3 plus 3. And now we sub 1 in for y to find our remainder. So that equals 1 to the power of 10 minus 8 times 1 to the power of 3 plus 3. 1 to the power of 10 is 1. 1 to the power of 3 is 1. And then 1 times 8 is 8. So then we get 1 minus 8 plus 3, which therefore equals negative 4. So our remainder is negative 4.